overcoming the blank screen problem is easier than you might think. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use proven templates and real-world examples to kickstart your first app. At code.hibot.space, you'll find 10 live education apps, each with detailed tutorials that break down how they work. The platform also offers 5 beginner-friendly starter projects you can clone and customize, making the process approachable for newcomers. With these resources, building your first app becomes a clear and achievable goal. By combining these starter projects with Cursor, the advanced AI code editor, you can dramatically speed up your app development process. Cursor's intelligent features, like predictive multi-line edits and autonomous coding, help you move from concept to a working application faster than ever before. Since its release, Cursor has been embraced by over 1 million developers and even adopted by major companies like NVIDIA and SpaceX, highlighting its impact on the industry. With these powerful tools at your fingertips, turning your ideas into live applications is now something you can achieve in just a single afternoon.